So these are the Festool stand arms that extend outward further. They have a graduated scale built into them, which allows for quick and easy measurements if a tape measure is not handy. It easily adjusts and you can tighten down the bolt until you get your desired length. These arms also have built-in stops that are easily adjustable if you need to make multiple cuts of the same length. The saw also has a depth adjustment to allow you to control the depth of each cut, allowing you to make multiple cuts at the same depth. Has a slow start motor, allowing for less kickback when operating the saw.
I can tell you, this is the thing, especially if you're going to be in a workshop or even on site. Look at the workspace. That's what's really impressive.
Very compact.
And the reality is that if you're going to be doing
footprint,
us especially, we do a lot of overnight. A lot of times we're spending, I don't know, 3-4 guys a whole hour at the end of the job just to clean up the giant mess that's been created in that worker. Yeah, I mean, a lot of that time will be eliminated.
by flipping the latch on the back, you can adjust the bevel by 45 degrees on each side. The saw will cradle itself to avoid from slamming from one side or the other. Also, with the lever towards the front of the saw, you can make micro adjustments to your degree to fine tune. By flipping the latch back down, it will lock the saw in position. To get the most accurate cut, this saw shoots out 2 laser beams. That's right, 2, not just 1, 2 laser beams And in between the laser beams is where your blade will fall. So you want to make sure your blade and your laser beams are lined up correctly. It also has a speed adjustment to control the rotations per minute of the blade, depending on what type of material you will be cutting through. As you can see here, the Festool Kapex miter saw is easily portable, making this saw great for transitioning from job site to van to job site, saving you time and money.
Once it's in place,
Out back, you need 4 foot of space to set the saw up from the wall.
once it's in place, you don't have to worry about banging that wall.
Because the saw goes all the way to the back against the wall, and you know.
Right.
It's a nice saw. Nice. I love the way.
When you lock the saw in place from sliding, it allows it to cut deeper.
So 3-year warranty on every single tool that Festool sells.
The arrow on the gauge allows for more fine tuning. Anything green on a Festool tool does something.
So it cleans out the filter.
You hear it, like you turn it on, you hear thump, thump, and people are like, what is wrong with your vac? It pops it and it knocks the dust out of the filter so it doesn't clog as fast, so you still get suction.
So it pulls it to the center because it knocks it off.
See how I
It
send
knocks
the
it down
guys
to the bag.
out to- I'm like, yo, take these filters and go to the back of the dumpster and bang them out. The vacuum does it for you.
Still have to, after a while, they say that because it's fine drywall dust, but as you're going, it'll thump and it knocks it. They have videos. These guys put GoPros in there to show it. Yeah, they're actually doing it. Yeah. I didn't know the HEPAs didn't do that. I thought they all did it.
I thought the 36 AC stood for 36 Atlantic City model.
This is the Festool Sustainer vacuum that allows for such great dust collection and clean workspaces while using Festool tools. This is a HEPA vac. It has a HEPA filter installed. You lift the tab, slide your bag out. These bags are specially made to be self-cleaning, so all the dirt, debris, and dust falls to the bottom and becomes compact. You will get the full capacity of the vacuum. To seal your bag, you will pull the tab and discard. There is no loss of suction throughout the life of the bag. The Festool vacuum is also grounded to protect from shocks. There is a gasket on the inside of the vacuum to protect from dust. This is how the vacuum integrates with the sustainer system, allowing you to attach your toolboxes onto your vacuum and roll right into the job site. You can also take the filter out of the vacuum and put a sponge in to create a wet vac. The Festool vacuum is also Bluetooth capable, allowing you to pair your hose with the vacuum. I hope everybody enjoyed this video on the Festool miter saw and vacuum. If you did, leave it in the comments section below. If you didn't enjoy this video, I don't know what to tell you. But have a good day anyway. Make sure to get subscribed for more videos just like this. Make sure to like this video and make sure to tell your friends. Thanks a lot, everybody. Thanks a lot, Very Cool Gang. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.